Hey, this is Bakes with the Stock Market Authority. Kevin Baker, everybody calls me Bakes except Mom. Stock Market Authority, stay tuned. We have a lot of new things coming, website and podcast, etc. But I want to respond to a text from one of my premium members, Charlie in New York, and asking about uranium, but in kind of a crazy way. You know, if Putin is not bluffing and does use a nuclear weapon, what happens to uranium? And so my first reaction, which I didn't put in the text, so I included here now, is we get a lot bigger problems if that happens than the price of uranium and our investments. Number two, I said punt. I don't know, and I really don't. My intuition is everything goes down. I mean, that's just no one cares about anything when that kind of a headline comes across. C 9/11, that kind of a thing. Um, but if that doesn't happen and we continue on this trajectory, then I think uranium ultimately goes. But I have a discipline and I stick to it. And so what we did was we bought this back in July of 2020 at around 30. I won't go through all the details, but we sold it for a double. And that's pretty good, especially when a lot of things were going down hard. But I got out and got back in here in recently, and I was stopped out at 15%. And pretty soon, which I didn't like, but because we're individual investors, we can do this. Institutions just have to lose less money than everybody else. I think that's a ridiculous game for you to play as an individual investor. So my summation is I hope Putin's bluffing. There's no real way to prepare for it if he isn't. And uranium is going to go down with everything else if that occurs. But lastly, I'm on top of uranium, and I'll tell you when it's time to get to buy. I'll never lose more than 15%. That's my stop loss, and I hope you adopt that. But stay here for uranium. I am a long-term believer, just not right now. So call me or write me bakes at bakes takes. At stockmarketacademy.com and fire your questions at me. I hope I'm helpful. I'll see you soon. Thanks now. Bye.